Hypothetical question. Let's say that I could teleport you 5 years in the future. And when I got you to the future, I took you to a graveyard. And in that graveyard, I showed you your tombstone. I showed you the day that you passed away, the time that you passed away, and literally showed you where you are now buried. And then I tell you that when I send you back to the past, because this is the future, that you're going to know the day that you passed away, the time that you passed away, and the location where you are going to be buried. What would you do? What would you change? What would you adjust? Who would you make up with? Who would you pay forward to things that you need to pay forward and say thank you to? Okay, think about that. Now, I want you to think about, let's say it's 2 years from that date. Same question. Who would you be? Would you be a better person than you are now? Or would you be worse? Would you take advantage of the fact that you now know when your end is coming? Or would you waste that time? Now let's go to a year. Did you use the time that you had to move yourself forward, to move your dreams forward, to make the things that you wanted to make in your life reality before you go, now that you have information that no other human being has ever had in advance? Now let's go to 6 months, a month. Now it's the day before you pass away. Here's my question. Would you be looking at a YouTube, looking at a TikTok, or would you be taking action to make sure that the things that you wasted the years before the 5 years, the year, the 6 months, the month, and the right now, what would you be doing? Who would you be spending that time with? Think about it. Take the future and use the future, all right, to create not only through your presence, but also to create your future. Stop wasting time. Stop dealing with people that you don't need to deal with, and stop looking at things that you don't need to look at. Focus on the things that are going to move you forward, the things that are going to move your family forward, and the things that are going to benefit everyone around you. Because you can make the world a better place, but first you have to make yourself a better you. Anyway, it's just a thought. This is Mr. Z Inspires, and you guys have a great day.